Hello class 10 children. Now as you all know, we have completed with mail merge process. Now today we will be studying about implementing the mail merge, that is printing the merge document. So it is not simple printing, you need to make certain settings before it. So you need to prepare for printing. So first of all you will go to file, then from the file you will choose new, and then there is an option here, labels. File, new, labels. So you will get this. Now first of all you will be choosing file, new, labels. Now in the options tab, you will find ensure that you choose this synchronize contents option is selected. Now go to the labels tab. Here you will choose the database whichever you want to make. New list, suppose it is, I made a new list also. Okay, and table, new list, then select here database. In the select the database and table, select the brand of labels. Now the brand of label, suppose it is, I've selected here ivory A4, and the type user I gave it, so I selected user from here. Okay, now if you are unable to identify your label product in the list, then you can define the label you have and select the user setting in the type selection box. Now click on the format tab, and here the default settings for this are given. That means you can change the horizontal pitch like this. I make it 4 because I already selected it 4. Then you can change the vertical pitch also like this, but I already selected this, so I will be making that only. Width also you can change, width of your document, but I will select the same that I had done. Height, left margin, top margin, number of columns and rows. See what are the changes when you change the number of columns. I want the number of columns to be 2 and rows, suppose, so I want them like this. Then you can now save your label template. I save it. Save the label template, and then what you can do is you can click here OK. Label name already, yes, I will have to replace it. Now go to the labels tab, and what you will be doing is click the drop down arrow under the database field and select the first field to be used in the label, and this left arrow button to move this label here. Now I am selecting new list, so I just remove all of this from here. Already selected. Now new list. Now in the new list, the first thing was title, so I took the title and I moved it here. Then the second field was first name. I selected first name and I moved it here. The third one was last name. I selected it and I moved it here. So this way you will be moving various fields to this area. All the fields, whatever were there. Company name, I go at it. It also went here. Then your address line 1. Then after that, address line 1 have already been. I just remove it. And then address line 2, you take it here. Then some city also was there, so you take it here. State, plus you can take other blank fields also, like zip, to introduce the blank lines. Country, I love. Okay, now you go to new document. So you will find your document like this. You can see here in your document, you will have a new single page document containing a series of frames, one for each label of the selected type. There are 2 columns and there are 7 rows as selected, and filled with the data source addresses that you selected. So this is how, and you can see here blank lines are also there because there are many fields. Now in order to remove these blank lines, what you will be doing is you will be going to view, and then from there you will be selecting field names. So this way it can be done. Then non-printing characters, if you want to remove, then you go to view and you select this option here, or directly from here you can select. So this is how you can prepare your mailing document for printing. After that, for printing you need to just go to file, and you can even synchronize the labels. File and then print. Like this. So this you will be printing this mail merge document. This way. So that is all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.